Have you ever wondered about the incredible, almost magical process of how a mother's body produces milk? It's one of nature's most amazing feats, a perfect system designed to nourish a new life. Today, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating science behind lactation. It's not just a simple on-off switch, it's a beautifully orchestrated symphony of hormones, biology, and love. The journey actually begins long before the baby arrives during pregnancy. You've probably heard about those pregnancy hormones, and two key players here are estrogen and progesterone. While they're busy supporting the pregnancy, they also kickstart a major renovation project in the breasts. They stimulate the growth of a complex network of milk ducts and alveoli, which are tiny sacs where milk will eventually be produced. Think of it like building a highly specialized factory, getting all the machinery in place, ready for production to start. So, while you're picking out baby names and decorating the nursery, your body is quietly and efficiently preparing the very first food your baby will ever taste. It's an incredible level of preparation happening entirely behind the scenes. Then, the big day arrives. The moment the baby is born and the placenta is delivered, there's a dramatic hormonal shift. The levels of estrogen and progesterone, which were inhibiting full-scale milk production, suddenly drop. This drop is the green light for another crucial hormone to take center stage: prolactin. Prolactin is often called the milk-making hormone, and for good reason. It signals those pre-built alveoli in the breasts to start their engines and begin producing milk. Within the first few days after birth, the body produces colostrum. This liquid gold, as it's often called, is a thick yellowish milk packed with antibodies and nutrients. It's like the baby's first super-powered immunization, perfectly designed to protect them in their earliest, most vulnerable days. Now, the factory is built and production has started. But how does the milk get from the factory to the customer, the baby? This is where another hero hormone, oxytocin, comes into play. When a baby latches onto the breast and begins to suckle, it sends a signal to the mother's brain. The brain responds by releasing oxytocin. This hormone causes tiny muscles around the alveoli to contract, squeezing the milk out into the ducts. This process is called the letdown reflex. Some mothers feel it as a tingling or a sense of fullness. It's a direct physical response to the baby's need. What is even more amazing is that oxytocin is also known as the love hormone, or bonding hormone. Its release not only delivers milk, but also fosters a deep sense of connection and calm between mother and baby, strengthening their bond with every feeding. Even just hearing a baby cry or thinking about them can sometimes trigger this reflex. One of the most mind-blowing aspects of breastfeeding is the principle of supply and demand. It's a perfect economic model running right inside the body. The more milk the baby removes from the breast, the more milk the body is signaled to produce. Frequent and effective feeding tells the body, "Hey, we have a hungry customer here, ramp up production." Conversely, if feedings become less frequent, the body gets the message to slow down. This brilliant feedback loop ensures that the baby almost always has exactly the right amount of milk they need. It's a dynamic system that constantly adjusts to the baby's growing appetite and changing needs. It's not a static resource, it's a responsive, living process. And the milk itself? It's a nutritional masterpiece. Breast milk isn't just one size fits all. Its composition changes throughout a single feeding, from the watery foremilk that quenches thirst to the richer, fattier hind milk that helps the baby feel full and gain weight. It also changes as the baby grows. The milk made for a newborn is different from the milk made for a 6-month-old, perfectly tailored to their developmental stage. It's packed with the perfect balance of proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. More than that, it's loaded with antibodies, immune cells, and beneficial bacteria that help protect the baby from infections and build a strong immune system. It's living food, constantly adapting to give the baby exactly what they need, when they need it. Science is still uncovering all the complex components in breast milk and their incredible benefits. So, let's recap this amazing journey. It starts in pregnancy with hormones like estrogen and progesterone building the milk-making factory. After birth, a drop in these hormones allows prolactin to switch the factory on. The baby's suckling triggers oxytocin to release the milk, and the whole system runs on a brilliant supply and demand basis, ensuring the baby gets just the right amount. And the product itself is a dynamic, living fluid that is, without a doubt, the the most complete and perfect form of nutrition for a baby. The process of making milk is a testament to the incredible design of the human body. It's a beautiful interplay of biology and connection, a dance of hormones and reflexes that all work together seamlessly to sustain a new life. It highlights the profound connection between a mother and her child, a bond that begins long before birth and is nurtured with every single feeding. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore the wonders of lactation. It's a topic that's both scientifically fascinating and deeply personal for so many. If you found this video interesting or helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content about the amazing human body. We'd love to hear your thoughts or questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.